Choose the word that is most nearly opposite to the word in capital letters, engaged. Now, this is a common word that has multiple meanings, and when we come across a word like this, it's important for us to stop and think about what these meanings and multiple meanings are of this word so we can accurately evaluate our answer choices and find an answer choice that is a true opposite versus being a word that's just related to our word in question. So when we think about what engaged means, it can mean being busy, occupied, or taking part in something. We're going to go ahead and write out this next to our word. Okay, so now that we have this definition, we're going to go ahead and evaluate our answer choices. Our first one is interlocked, which means being engaged with each other by overlapping or by projections and recesses fitting together. So this is actually synonymous with engaged. So we're going to go ahead and eliminate this answer choice because, again, we're looking for an opposite of the word engaged. Next, we have the word latent, which means something that exists but is not yet developed or carried out. So this actually could be a good opposite, right? This is something that doesn't yet exist, and it's not something that's being carried out, versus engaged is being busy, occupied, and actually taking part in something. So we're going to go ahead and leave this for now. Next, we have freelance, which means self-employed and hired to work for different companies on particular assignments. So again, not really a true opposite of the word engaged, so we're going to eliminate this answer choice. Next, we have divorced, which means someone who has legally dissolved one's marriage. So while engaged also means someone who has decided to get married, it is not the direct opposite of engaged. So this doesn't look great, but we're going to go ahead and leave this answer choice just in case. And lastly, we have malfunctioned, which means something that fails to function properly. Something engaged can either function properly or improperly. So these are not true opposites, and we're going to go ahead and eliminate this answer choice. Now, when we think about latent versus divorced, latent is a better opposite for engaged. And of course, we're always looking for the most complete answer here. So latent is going to be the answer choice for this question.